Today I will be discussing few more important questions and answers with explanation of community health nursing. So first we'll see what is community, what is the health and what is the nursing. So community, it is a society that inhabits a definite geographical area. And definition of health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. This definition is given by World Health Organization. So now we'll see the definition of nursing. Nursing, it is an integral part of the healthcare system. Encompasses the promotion of health, prevention of illness, and care of physically ill, mentally ill, and disabled people of all ages in all healthcare and other community. This definition is given by Indian Council of Nursing in 2002. Now we see the community health nursing definition. So, community health nursing, it is the practice of promoting, protecting the health of the population using knowledge from nursing, social and public health sciences. Now we'll come for the selective most appropriate answer from the following. First is that the World Health Day is celebrated every year on dash. Option A is the 8th March, option B is the 7th April, option C is the 12th May, and option D is the 11th July. So we celebrate World Population Day on 11th July. 12th May, on the Florence Nightingale's birth anniversary, we celebrate every year for the Nurses Day on 12th May. And World Health Day is celebrated every year on 7th April. And 8th March is celebrated every year for Women's Day. So answer is a B, 7th April. Next, the most effective way of communication is a dash. Option A is a one way, option B is a two way, and option C is a non-verbal, oh, and D is a verbal. So, way of communication is a one way, two way, non-verbal, and verbal. It is the methods of the communication. Here, answer is the most effective way of communication is two way. The most effective way of communication is two-way. Third is early diagnosis and treatment is the level of dash. A option is a primary prevention, B option is a secondary prevention, C option is a tertiary prevention. So primary prevention is to prevent any health illness intervening before health effects occur through measures such as vaccination, altering risky behavior like poor eating habits, tobacco use, and banning substances known to be associated with the disease or health condition. And to prevent any health illness or injury, we measure the primary prevention like vaccination, etc. And early diagnosis and treatment is a level of secondary prevention. So answer is a secondary prevention. And tertiary prevention aims to soften impact of an ongoing illness or injury that has lasting effect. This is done by helping people manage long-term, often complex health problems and injury in order to improve as much as possible their ability to function, their quality of life, and their life expectancy. Like tertiary prevention is used for rehabilitation purposes. Question number 4, optimum health means dash. Option A is a physically healthy, option B is a mentally healthy, option C is a socially healthy, option D is a all of these. Yes, optimum health means physically, mentally and socially healthy. That means the holistic approach. So answer D is all of these. Question number 5 is that the concept of primary health care was introduced during Alma-Ata conference in the year dash. A option is a 1948, B option is a 1958, C option is a 1978, and D option is a 1968. So the concept of primary healthcare was introduced during Alma-Ata conference in the year. C is the option 1978. Yes. Vitamin B1 is known as dash. Option A is a riboflavin, option B is a thiamine, option C is a ascorbic acid, and option D is a pyridoxine. So vitamins are classified into two, fat soluble and water soluble. Fat soluble are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. And water soluble are vitamin B and vitamin C. Vitamin B also in classified B1 it is a thiamine, vitamin B2 is a riboflavin, B3 is a niacin, B5 is a pantothenic acid, vitamin B6 is a pyridoxine, vitamin B7 is a biotin, vitamin B9 is a folic acids. So here it is a vitamin B1 is known as a thiamine, and vitamin B2 is a riboflavin, and vitamin C is called the ascorbic acid, that is also water soluble vitamins. Vitamin B and vitamin C is water soluble vitamins, and then pyridoxine is a vitamin B6 vitamin. So now this answer for vitamin B1 is known as a thiamine. That is a B1. So answer is a next. Deficiency of iron leads to dash. So option A is a malaria. Option B is a filariasis. Option C is anemia. And option D is a pellagra. So we'll see the malaria. What is the malaria? So malaria is caused by female Anopheles mosquito, and it is a vector-borne disease. Then second is a filariasis. What is a filariasis? Filariasis is caused by parasitis, roundworm, that is a nematoda. And then anemia. Yes, deficiency of iron and folic acid leads to the anemia. So answer is a anemia. Deficiency of iron leads to anemia. And what is the pellagra? So pellagra is a cause due to the deficiency of vitamin B3, which name is a niacin. So niacin deficiency is called the pellagra. So seventh question, deficiency of iron leads to anemia. So question number 8. First 5-year plan implemented in dash year. Option A is a 1947 to 1951. B is a option B is a 1951 to 1956. Option C is a 1956 to 1961. Yeah, D is a 1961 to 1966. The first 5-year plan implemented in 1951 to 1956. Second 5-year plan implemented in 1956 to 1961, and third 5-year plan implemented in 1961 to 1966. So now first 5-year plan implemented in 1951 to 1956. This is the answer. COVID-19 novel coronavirus SARS-2 disease is caused dash. Is dash. So it is as option A is a non-communicable, option B is endemic, option C is a pandemic, option D is a epidemic. COVID-19 disease is a dash. So A option non-communicable. Non-communicable disease means so the disease not transmitted directly from one person to another. It's called a non-communicable. Examples are hypertension, diabetes, arthritis, osteoporosis, heart disease, cancer, etc. are the examples of the non-communicable disease. Endemics found in specific area, and pandemic spread disease in worldwide. So COVID-19 disease is a pandemic. An epidemic means rapid spread of disease in a given population with a short period of time. Examples are chikungunya and dengue fevers. So COVID-19 disease is a pandemic disease. Then 10th number of questions is a lack of vitamin A causes dash. Option A is a deafness, option B is a night blindness, option C is a dental caries, and option D is a headache. Night blindness means nectalopia, inability to see at night. Eating food rich in vitamin A can help night vision and also protect the eyes from cataract formation, which is one of the most common causes of night blindness. Vitamin A rich foods include dark green vegetable, leafy vegetable, carrots, potatoes, dairy products, eggs, broccoli, all yellow fruits and fish. So, night blindness, a lack of vitamin A causes night blindness, and night blindness can be cured by giving sources of vitamin A like fruits, yeah, vegetables. Then dental caries. Dental caries can be mm, dental caries is caused due to not maintaining oral hygiene. Not maintaining oral hygiene. Then deafness. Deafness can be hearing loss. Deafness means hearing loss, damage to the inner ear due to the aging or exposure to loud noise. May cause wear and tear on nerve cell in the cochlea. And headache. Headache can be due to the acidity or vision impairments, etc. Now we'll see the match the followings. Here it is a section is in A section is a complementary food. Complementary food is another name. It's a weaning, and a complementary food that means the weaning should be started after 6 months. So after 6 months of the infants should be given complementary foods. It can be water. First, we should give the water, then soups, vegetable soup, fruit juices. Then slowly, it can be started from the liquid to the solid, then full diet. And that complementary food up to 6 months to the neonate, we should not give anything except breastfeed, yeah, breast milk. So now complementary foods should be started after 6 months. So here is a one is a answer. Iron and folic acid. Second is iron and folic acid. Yes, iron and folic acid deficiency leads to the anemia. So answer for the anemia. Answer is a two. Then home visit. Yes, home visit is called the backbone of MCH. MCH means mother and child health. Then rice, carbohydrate in our diet, day to day we are taking the diet which includes the macronutrient and micronutrient. Macronutrients includes fat, protein and carbohydrate, and carbohydrate sources are rice, wheat, potato, etc. So for carbohydrate can comes rice. So their answer is a 4. Then temporary family planning. Yes, for the temporary family planning methods, male person using different and female person. Females are using different. Temporary family planning for male they use the condoms, And for the female, there are so many methods. In one, that copper T, intrauterine devices for copper T, 375 and 370 copper T are using for the temporary family planning methods to the female. It can be used 375 um, IUCD copper T can be used for the 10 years. Up to 10 years can be, and it is a effective methods. So it is a B is the answers. So again we will see the match the following complementary food, that is also called the weaning, and that can be it should be given started after 6 months for the infant, and before up to 6 months we should not given except breast milk of the mothers to that baby, yeah, infant. Iron and folic acids deficiency leads to anemia. Home visit is also called as a backbone of MCH, mother and child health, a matter. Then rice for carbohydrate. Carbohydrate source is the rice. The temporary family planning method is a copper T. Now we'll see the state true or false. 1 gram, first is the 1 gram fat gives a 4 calories. This statement is a false statement. 1 gram fat gives the 9 calories, and 1 gram carbohydrate or protein gives the 4 calories. So 1 gram fat gives 4 calories. This is a false statements. Then next, polio is transmitted by polluted air. This is also false statement. Polio is transmitted by contaminated water, and which contain feces. So polio is a disease caused by a virus that affects the nervous system and is mainly spread by person to person contact. Polio can also be spread eating raw or undercooked food or drinking water or other drinks that are contaminated water with feces of an infected person. In rare cases, polio infection causes permanent loss of muscle function, that is a paralysis. Mostly paralysis can be in legs. So, polio is not transmitted by polluted air. This statement is a false. Next, correct and complete record keeping is the legal responsibility of a nurse. Yes, this statement is a true sentence. True statement. Fourth is the weight of the infant become 4 times at the end of 1 year. The weight of the infant become 4 times at the end of 1 year. This is the false statement. This is not correct. The weight of the infant becomes 3 times at the end of 1 year. This is the true statements. This statement is false. And infant, that is from 1 month to 1 years of the child is called the infant, and 0 to 1 month of the child is called the neonate. If the child at birth normally weight should be 2.5 kg, 2.5 kg, and if it is that weight should be increased after 4 to 5 months, it can be become a double. 4 to 5 months of the child's that weight becomes double, and uh, the weight of the infant becomes 3 times at the end of 1 year. This is a normally, but now this statement is given the weight of the infant becomes 4 times at the end of 1 year. That is a false statement. At the second year, yeah, second year the weight of the child become 4 times, 4 times. So that this is the correct statement. Now this statement is a false. Fifth questions. Vitamin B complex group is water soluble vitamins. Yes. The vitamins are divided into the two, water soluble and fat soluble. Fat soluble vitamins are the vitamins that is not dissolving in fat. That is what vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. And vitamin B and vitamin C is a water soluble vitamins. So vitamin B complex group is a water soluble vitamin. This statement is a true statement. Constipation. Next, sixth number question is a constipation is caused by lack of fat in diet. This statement is a false statement because constipation is caused by more fat in diet. Then seventh question is the prevention is better than the cure. Yes, this statement is a true statement. Colostrum means babies. Eight number question. Colostrum means babies first immunization. Yes, this statement is also correct statements. So colostrum is termed as the first milk, which is produced by a new mother, which is full of antibodies and nutrients that act as a provider for immunity to the baby against his first interaction of pathogens. So this is the correct statement. Then question number 9. Cross ventilation is a good circulation in a room. So cross ventilation is generally the most effective form of wind ventilation. Yes. So cross ventilation is a good air circulation in a room. This statement is also true. Last question is a boiling method is one of the physical methods of disinfection. Yes. This statement is also true. Boiling methods is a that means moist heat at 100 degrees Celsius is applicable for contaminated dishes, beddings, pipettes, and other instruments that are not soil or contaminated, as well as for objects that are temperature sensitive. So, boiling method, this statement is a true statement. Thank you.